Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to another unboxing video, and this time we're going to be unboxing the Bloom Norday 18-ounce cup. So this is the cup I got in McDonald's on the Day of the Kid. So for those of you who don't know what is the Day of the Kid, it's a Mexican holiday that's celebrated on April 30th. So yeah, this is the front side of the cup, and here's how you can use it. There's the instructions here. And then you have 18/8 stainless steel, where you could keep your drinks hot to 8 hours and then drinks cold to 24 hours. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's in Spanish though. So para la gente que vean it, que entienden esto, ahí está. So yeah, this is such a cool one. So let's open this up. I'm gonna do this one-handed because I'm just holding the camera. So, now let me just get it out. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, we have the lid here. We got the lid where you put your straw in. And let's see. In here, let me just get that thing out. All right, there we go. Here's the plastic though, and right here is the McDonald's cup. So, and last we have the 2 straws in here. So yeah, we do have 2 straws, and let's take a look at this. Wow, don't look at that. It's a McDonald's cup. So that I got on the day of the kid. So yeah, there it is. It's looking cool. There's the McDonald's logo, and there's the Coca-Cola Norday logo, and here's where you can put your straw in. So yeah, as you can see, simple as that. So it's a really cool cup, to be honest, and you have that lid right there. So you could also let me take this out. You could also take this off and then put that lid on. So yeah, let me just put, it's kind of hard. Let me just put the camera down. To take off the lid, you have to turn it clockwise. And then if you want to use this, just put it on here. And shortly after, you can open this up. It's kind of hard, so you do it the same way. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just struggling a lot. So the straw's kind of hard to fit in on this thing, but there you go. All right, well, anyways, that's the unboxing video. So hope you all enjoyed it, and be sure to like and subscribe for more. So that's it.